Hello, grade 2, welcome again. With you, Mrs. Minna Raouf, your science teacher. Today we will start Unit 10 and lesson 2. What are magnets? First, magnet. What's the meaning of magnet? What's a magnet do? Magnet is an object that can pull things made of iron and steel. So, magnet is an object that can pull things made of iron and steel. And the magnet has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. So, each magnet has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. And the pole is a place on a magnet where the pull is the greatest. So, a pole is a place on a magnet where the pull is the greatest. Magnets has three shapes: horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, and ring magnet. So how many shapes of magnet? Three shapes: horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, and ring magnet. So again, magnet is an object that pulls things made of iron and steel. Each magnet has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. And the pole is the place on a magnet where the pull is the greatest. And the magnet has three shapes: horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, and ring magnet. The like poles on the magnet repel from each other. Repel means they push away from each other. What's the meaning of repel? Repel means they push away from each other. So, when we put two magnets and when we put the same poles of magnet or like poles, like means the same poles of magnet. So here we have North Pole and North Pole, and here we have South Pole and South Pole. They will repel from each other. What's the meaning of repel? They will push away from each other. But the opposite poles attract to each other. So the opposite poles mean the different poles. So when we have North Pole and South Pole, they will attract to each other. What's the meaning of attract? Attract mean pull towards each other. So the like poles repel and the opposite poles attract. Again, the like poles of the magnet repel from each other, but the opposite poles attract to each other.
Our friendly bar magnet, Barry, has two poles. He has a North Pole and a South Pole. He knows he can attract objects made of iron. But now he wonders if he can attract his fellow magnets. Why don't we join him as he seeks answers to his question? While Barry was walking, he saw another bar magnet on the way. He was excited to see if the bar magnet was attracted to him. As he got nearer and nearer, the bar magnet slowly got nearer to him as well, until the bar magnet's South Pole was attracted to Barry's North Pole. Barry was happy. Not only are magnetic objects attracted to him, his fellow magnets are too. He kept walking. He saw a cylindrical magnet. But this time, as Barry got nearer, the cylindrical magnet moved away from him. He kept getting nearer, and the magnet moved away. Why is the bar magnet attracted to Barry? Why isn't the cylindrical magnet attracted to him? When Barry's North Pole came near the bar magnet's South Pole, the magnets were attracted to each other. But when Barry's North Pole got close to the North Pole of the cylindrical magnet, they repelled each other. For magnets, when two unlike poles, the North Pole and the South, come together, they attract. On the other hand, when two like poles, the North Pole and the North Pole, or the South Pole and the South Pole come together, they repel. So what should Barry do to attract the cylindrical magnet? He should move to the other end of the cylindrical magnet. Gotcha! Now Barry knows how to attract other magnets.
I will stop at this point now, and we will complete our lesson in the next session. See you. Bye bye.